Enlightenment awaits, and it's just a flash away. What's the enlightening question of the day?
Reverse sneeze in dogs is a common respiratory event characterized by a sudden, forceful inhalation of air through the nose, causing a distinctive snorting sound. It's often triggered by irritation or inflammation of the nasal, pharyngeal, or sinus passages. While it can be alarming to witness, it's generally harmless and doesn't require treatment. However, if episodes are frequent or accompanied by other symptoms, it's important to consult a veterinarian to rule out underlying health issues.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.